What's good, everyone? Welcome back to a new video, and today we're going to be working on the LEXUS once again, and what we're going to be installing is a vibrant resonator. So my exhaust setup right now is just a muffler delete, and hopefully with this vibrant resonator it will sound a lot more deeper, plus we'll amplify the acceleration on this car just a little bit. Normally resonators aren't really like performance built for performance, but I want a deeper tone, and I actually want to hear my car, scream when I'm driving around the corners and everything. That, since this is a performance car, even though it's the IS 250, it's slow as shit. So I'll show you guys how the muffler delete sounds on this car. I'll be doing a pull, a launch, and then a startup. So out of the box, you'll see that this is a very polished finish, and the specs on this is a 2.5-inch inlet and outlet, depending on what side you put it on. But it's actually pretty light. It's like about 5 pounds, I would say. So this is how it looks from the inside as well. So this should help amplify like a lot of things, just ever so slightly, but not too much. So alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. So if you guys want to know what's the setup for my exhaust, it's basically a muffler delete with a vibrant resonator, and that's pretty much it for how this car should sound. And after driving it for a couple hours, I noticed that there's a little bit of pops and sounds. So other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll link the resonator down in the description below. So see you guys in the next video. Peace out.